To fix your electric pressure washer not turning on, follow these steps. First, ensure the power cord is properly plugged into a working outlet and the pressure washer is turned off. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to confirm that the breaker has not tripped or a fuse has not blown. Next, inspect the power cord for any signs of damage, such as cuts or frayed wires. If the cord is damaged, replace it with a new one. Also, check the ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, if your pressure washer has one. If the GFCI has tripped, press the reset button to restore power. Then, check the water supply to the pressure washer. Ensure the water supply hose is not kinked or blocked and the water supply valve is fully open. Make sure the pressure washer's inlet filter is clean and free of debris. A clogged filter can prevent the pressure washer from turning on. After that, inspect the pressure washer's electrical components, including the on/off switch, capacitor, and motor. If any of these components are damaged, they may need to be replaced. Consult the user manual or contact a professional for assistance. Additionally, check the pressure washer's pump for any blockages or damage. A faulty pump can prevent the pressure washer from turning on. If the pump is damaged, it may need to be replaced or repaired. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with the motor or other internal components. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional for assistance or take the pressure washer to a authorized service center for repair. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your electric pressure washer not turning on. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances and to consult the user manual for specific instructions.